Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sadie. We're going to be doing an unboxing today. We're going to be doing January 2019 BoxyCharm unboxing. I haven't heard too many great things about this, so hopefully I enjoy some of the stuff that's in my box. Normally I do. For the people that are new to BoxyCharm or don't know too much about it, they do send 4 to 6 full-size beauty items, from skincare to anything from hair products to makeup. It is well worth the value. Normally one item in the box does exceed the value of the box that you pay. It is $21 a month, if I did not say that previously. So if you guys want to see the January 2019 unboxing, stay tuned. Subscribe down below. I would greatly appreciate it if you guys showed some love. Okay, I did actually cut open with the scissors only because I would like this video to go a little faster than my last videos. So I tried to be a little more prepared. So first things first, inside the box, we do start with the theme postcard, which does say Boxy and Chill. On the back, show you real quick, it does have the description of the items in the box. We're not going to read that only because it's going to tell us what's inside before we get a chance to look. It also has the prices as well and a brief description of each item. Alrighty, so the first thing I'm seeing inside my box is the Brioche Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. I either got this item in another subscription box, because I do have a couple subscription boxes, or I got this previously in a BoxyCharm box. I do remember trying it out myself. I really didn't care for it only because my hair is super thin and straight. This is great for those people with the curly hair. It does leave your hair feeling very silky. But the description on the card, it is a $12 leave-in conditioner, effectively restores your hair softness, manageability, moisture, and shine with Brioche Milk Spray. Infused with the signature blend of the ultra nourishing rosehip, argan, and coconut oil. This spray works to detangle wet hair, protect against heat, while locking in moisture, restoring luster, and diminishing frizz. Okay, the next item that I'm seeing inside my box is Long-Lasting Liquid Lipstick by Ofra, Miami Fever. I personally wanted the other color myself, the, oh my goodness, Havana Nights. It's a very nice color. I seem like it's for my skin tone, but I'm sure this is very similar to the color I have on, which is good. Apparently, I do wear this color. I do plan on keeping this one. I'm going to give my Brioche away to someone that could possibly use it because I do have one. We'll give this one a swatch. This is the Long-Lasting Liquid Lipstick, Miami Fever. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. That is Miami Fever. It's very orange, if you ask me. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about that color. Kind of orange. Now, the paper saying Ofra Long-Lasting Lipstick. This matte liquid lipstick delivers a long-lasting color that perfectly outlines and fills in lips. The stunning pigment stays put all day for minimal transfer while maintaining a comfortable wearing, infused with vitamin A, antioxidants. Your lips will look and feel healthy all day. This little tube is $20. I have received some Ofra products from BoxyCharm in the past. I absolutely love them. They don't last all day, but they do last a while. They do dry down very matte, but they do leave a long-lasting lip color. Very, very nice product. This is, again, $20 if I didn't just mention that before. I'm sorry if I'm repeating myself. Okay, and for the next item, I received a $1 billion brows universal brow pencil. Oh, this is wonderful because I do draw my brows on. I do have very nice brows, but I do like to color them in as I get older. I realize I'm losing the volume and density to my eyebrows. So this is nice. I need one of these. It does have a spoolie on one end, and it's a retractable mechanical pencil, not an actual sharpening pencil, which is nice. I don't care for the shavings of a sharpening pencil, and they do tend to dull down fast. So I did receive the color for Universal, which, let's see, let me give you a nice swatch here. Put it next to our Ofra. Oh yes, it's more like a taupe. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. It is a nice color. It's very creamy feeling as well. I'm sure I'm going to enjoy this one. Let's give you a little bit of information on that. We have $1 billion Universal Brow Pencil, specially and carefully formulated to work perfectly with most skin tones and brow colors. This self-sharpening pencil glides onto your brows without tugging and pulling, which I can say it did go on very smooth. The spoolie at the end makes it easy for blending, and smooth and creamy formula makes it easy for application. This brow pencil is $18. Me personally would not spend $18 on a brow pencil. I do go through brow product like it is no tomorrow. I probably go through a brow pencil about every 2 weeks. Pomades do tend to last longer for myself, but it's always nice to get a good brow pencil. So this I do love. So far we got the liquid lipstick that, I don't know, it's a little too orange for me. I'm a little iffy about it. The Brioche leave-in conditioner and the $1 Million Brow. So this so far is the only thing that I am happy to get. Normally I enjoy all my Boxy items, I have to say. I'm kind of let down right now. Alrighty, we're going to move on to the next item. Let's see what I pull out. Oh, there's two here. Oh, I think everybody got these. We got two Tatcha Dewy Skin Masks. A blend of lightweight rice germ oil with the most nutrient-rich proteins of rice and high concentration of botanical oils and extract leave skin velvety smooth, dewy, and luminous. Oh, these will come in handy because right now it is super cold out in New York, and it's leaving my skin really dry and flaky. Can't wait to try these. So we also have, let's read what this paper says. Tatcha Luminous Skin Face Mask, a 2-pack. Nourishing skin from within using this lightweight blend of rice germ oil, vitamin E, essential fatty acids, and highly concentrated botanicals and extracts. Each mask is, oh my goodness, I cannot freaking speak today. Each mask is designed for maximum absorption, delivering 20 milliliters of skin-quenching serum and imparting an instant dewy luminous glow. A scientifically perfected trio of fermented Japanese anti-aging superfoods like green tea, rice, and algae instantly restore skin healthy and radiance. Those are valued at $24 each. So just one mask exceeds the value of the box, and you get 2 of them. Okay, so the last item we have in the box, which I seen my sneak peek on my email, and I was very upset to get this. I'm sure it is a nice palette, but I did receive one very, 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 very similar in one of my BoxyCharm boxes already, and I personally did not care for it. I did give mine away, and the person I gave it away to absolutely loves it. So I'll probably be giving this one to her as well. So we have Rainforest of the Sea, Volume 3. Let's open it up. If I'm correct, these are all shimmery eyeshadows. I have probably every single one of these in every palette that I've gotten from BoxyCharm already. So I don't need more. So you open it up, it comes with a little card, which gives you some ideas on how you can use it. You got the nautically naturally look, and you also get the mystical mermaid look that they recommend. And then on the other side, it is in a different language. I mean, I guess you can work with shimmery eyeshadows, but I personally prefer some mattes for my transition. Okay, so this is the front. Hopefully the lighting isn't killing it. It is a beautiful palette. I have to say that. It's very heavy duty. You know, it's well protected and very travel friendly. So you open it up and you have, well, that might be one matte. And then 7 shimmer shades. They're beautiful neutral colors. I'm sure you can make many looks with this. I was originally trying to put my last Tarte palette on with brushes. I'm told you should be putting these on with your fingers. So if you're having a hard time blending out your Tarte palette, big suggestion, use your fingers. So let's see what our card has to say for this one. Tarte Limited Edition Rainforest of the Sea Highlighting Shadow Palette Volume 3. Dive into this vegan crease-free eyeshadow palette that features 7 highly reflective plush micro shimmers and 1 matte nude that serves as the perfect transition shade. This blendable and long-wearing formula is enriched with vitamin E antioxidants to help hydrate and protect the lids. The value for the Tarte Rainforest palette is $36. So, I mean, it does exceed the value of the box, which is nice. They don't let you down on the price values for the items they do put in the box. So, quick recap. We got the Tarte palette. We got the Luminous Dewy Skin Masks from Tatcha. We got the $1 Million Brow. We got the Liquid Lipstick. And the Brioche Leave-In Conditioner. Now, for my final thoughts, I am not too happy about my box. I mean, it is nice to be able to try new products that I probably wouldn't have purchased on my own. It does exceed the value of the box, which I actually want to add this up to see what the actual difference between the price of the box is and the amount I paid, or the amount that the products come to. So we have the Brioche, which is $12. The lipstick, which is $20. The Tarte palette, which is $36. The face masks, which are $24 each. So that's going to be twice. And the $1 Million Brow. The value, I'm not sure if you guys can see, comes to $134 for the box. And I paid about $22 with tax. So they definitely outdid themselves like they do every month. I want to say thank you to BoxyCharm for providing the products that they do. Give us a nice variety from hair to skin. and face products from makeup. If you guys would like to know what I do have on my face today, I'll leave in the description box down below. They are all Boxy items that I've received between BoxyLuxe and BoxyCharm, minus the foundation. The foundation is the new Rihanna Pro FIlter foundation in the shade 185. I am going to leave you guys with that. Have a great day. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe down below. I am new to this, so it is going to take me some time to get used to it. Have a good day, guys. Enjoy.